of wasting money all the time, save your money a little bit and try the simple chips and enjoy it every day with your family. I tried ordering these chips online because my children are on holiday, so they can use it and pass time for the day. The price was really smiling so loud. Hey, now so I run to my kitchen with speed. I remember that I have an Irish potato already in the kitchen. I said to myself, let's enter work and prepare a homemade chips for them. I pick it up to go and prepare the cheese by myself. I tried doing it 2 different cheese and it came out so good. This is how I started with the first method. So right now, this is the Irish potato. I'm washing my Irish potato. It's not compulsory that you must wash it. You can leave it if you want, okay? I always wash it to make the cutting so easy for me. So I'm placing it in this pan where I'm going to do what? Cut it very neat. So this is me. I have already chopped the Irish potato. I'm adding what? My salt to taste. Also added a little oil to make it more crispy. So when you're eating it, it will be very nice in the mouth. Cut the sharp none, okay? Now this is my air fryer. I always wrap it with a foil, so it must not be a foil. You can use any one you have at home. So if you don't have an air fryer also, you can use your oven, okay? So I'm done putting the Irish potato inside the air fryer. Now I'm taking it out to go and heat it up immediately. So I'll be putting this in 200 degree and 25 minutes. You can put it in 30 minutes, but know that you'll be checking it all the time, okay? Do not just relent on it. So this is me bringing it out on the time setting. I have set it already. I keep setting it when I bring it out, okay? So this is the final stage of the first method. Now this is what it looks like after preparation. So you can use your ketchup on your mustard, cream, anyone you want to enjoy your potato chips, okay? Oh, this is so nice. Honestly, check they look very well. So right now, this is me. I'm testing it out. It really comes out very good, honestly, okay? Now we're gonna dive into the second method. So you tell me the result of which one do you. So I've been boiling this water already to make the cooking very easy. Then I added my salt. So I poured in the remaining Irish potato that I chopped inside the hot boiling water, okay? Now I'm gonna cover it up. So I allowed it to heat up for 5 minutes, okay? After heating up for 5 minutes, so I'm taking it out to go and sieve out the water out from it, okay? So the evaporation was much coming out from the Irish potato that I cooked, so I have to add some water to make the evaporation calm. So now I'm transferring to the pan where I'm gonna do what? Add a little oil on it, okay, to also make it crispy as well. I'm pouring the cooked Irish potato inside the air fryer to go and heat it up. Make sure you place it so well, okay? Make it like this, guy heat here up. So for this second method, I'm gonna put it for 15 minutes because it's already cooked. So the 15 minutes is a so I'm going to do what? Bring it out. So this is how it looks like on the second method. Pour it out in my plate to check it out how it comes out. So I'm going to add my mustard and my ketchup, anyone you have. You can use it. Oh yeah, zoom they look well, oh, zoom it well. Now for your thought is now, this is how it looks like. So ka anyị ike kpọgodo results as onye mere ihe ma ọma ga-akpọnụ result first before una bịa kpọnụ result. Taking a bite from it, this is very nice, soft in the mouth, not too crispy like the first one. You can have this with a chill juice. Honestly, I prefer the second one, okay? Finally, which of the two methods do you prefer? So follow me if you haven't. God bless you all.